Global Marine is announcing the intention to form a joint venture with Huawei Technologies from Shenzhen in China. The intention being to create a new entrant into the submarine installation market to provide a new radical approach to the way that submarine telecommunication systems are built and deployed.
Certainly in the last few years there's only been two real turnkey suppliers, and that's ASN and Taikei. With the product suite that Huawei Marine has, we have the capability to do everything, and in some cases more than those suppliers have traditionally had.
Huawei is a telecom system provider established in 1988. Now Huawei is a leader in the provide next generation communication system for the customer all around the world. Global Marine have 150 years experience in the submarine installation and maintenance market. So we are combine the two strengths together to provide the more benefit for our customers.
The principle is to leverage the strengths of both companies. Global Marine in terms of our submarine engineering capability, and Huawei in terms of their fantastic capability in bringing innovative new products to market.
The tie-up of Global Marine and Huawei into the joint venture called Huawei Marine allows us to back our products by a company that's been around by 150 years in our case, and by an $11.5 billion company. If you take a look at our support structures that we have in place compared to what you would have had with an independent, very small, completely new entrance to the market, I think it's that backs up the product and makes it incredible.
The Huawei Marine product brings a number of unique benefits to the market. Most significantly is the hugely reduced footprint of the equipment. This has two advantages in that it reduces the space required, but it also significantly reduces the services required. Also of significance is the hugely reduced scale of the repeater. We've specifically designed the repeater to allow it to be buried. 90% of cable faults are due to external aggression. By being able to bury a repeater as we can, we reduce the threat of external aggression faults significantly.
The conventional approach to networking differentiates between a land-based network and a submarine network. With the Huawei Marine approach, we break down that barrier and treat the entire network as a single entity.
Huawei are clearly a fantastic partner. Huawei don't enter a space unless they think they can become the number one or the number two in that market, and they've shown a capability to do that across the entire telecom space.
Huawei is already have the 10 years experience in the optical area. Now the Huawei is ranked number 2 in the global optical market.
We've got a unique track record in terms of our ability to find partners. We've worked in China with SBSS for 13 years. By any stretch of the imagination, that's an incredibly successful joint venture. So we've got absolute confidence that Huawei are the right partner to make this successful.